Qingdao AluliteForms Company Limited is a professional company for designing, manufacturing, and distributing construction formwork systems such as wall, beam, and slab formwork, column formwork, and climbing formwork. Our formwork systems include flat tie type aluminum panel formwork, tie rod type aluminum panel formwork, aluminum table form system, modular slab formwork system, aluminum frame shoring system, shoring props form system, 12K shoring with early stripping system, hydraulic climbing system, climbing system lifted by tower crane, foldable column system, fast lock column system, aluminum column system, Alulite wall panel formwork system, retaining wall form system, aluminum I-beam. Founded in 2005, we have been serving contractors from more than 20 countries around the world. We won good reputation from our customers from Philippines, Thailand, India, Sri Lanka, Dubai, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, Jordan, Mauritius, Republic of Senegal, Belgium, Spain, USA, Canada, Chile, Bolivia, Dominicana Republic, Trinidad and Tobago, Grenada, Saint Martin, and so on. We have many intellectual property rights and the patent technology, including the early stripping and large formwork entirely stripping. We adopt a panel formwork design software to make sure the correctness and efficiency of our design work. Our aim is to supply our customers with a safe, efficient, economic, environmental protecting, and energy conserving products and manage to make the construction much more easier. A brief introduction of a production process. Cutting. Welding test. Punching. Inspection. Slot milling. Welding. coating and heating. Special surface coating can strengthen formwork hardness and anti-corrosion and decrease reaction between formwork and the concrete. Sorting and packing.